Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to our post-match press conference. Congratulations to the FPU Lady Tamaros for beating the UP Fighting Maroons in 4 sets. The Lady Tamaros are now in joint third place with the USD Golden Tigresses at 7-4. They have Coach Ina Sara, Paito Pacanque, and Cheng Tagaw. Coach, congratulations for this victory. It was a back and forth. Fourth set, lamang kayo ng 12-3. Tapos UP, lumamang ng 22-16 at naging hit-kita. Pero nahabol doon at naging hit-kita ng Gagdulo. So, ano masasabi mo sa pinakita ng girls ng fourth set?
Para ako nanonood ng action, biglang drama, biglang parang ang hirap para sa amin na ma-maintain yung lead. So, pero nakita ko yung maturity ng mga players. So, kung paano namin i-handle yung behind 4 points. So, very happy na nagkaroon kami ng ganun turnout. Kumbaga, sabihin natin may drama, may action, pero at the end, di ba, masaya lahat. So, thank you. Thank you sa inyo.
Thank you, Kenny. 13 attacks, 1 service ace, 18 excellent receptions, and 3 digs. So yun nga, very important mong match ito kasi syempre, para maganda yung pwesto nyo sa top 4. So, ano masasabi nyo na naibawi nyo yung pagkatalo nyo sa UP sa first round?
Siyempre po sobrang importante ng game yun kasi nga lagi sinasabi sa amin na must-win game. Kailangan namin, hindi naman sa naghahabol, pero kailangan pa namin mas iangat yung standing namin kasi nga may goal kami ngayong second round. So ayun, sobrang happy kasi ngayon parang lumalabas yung mga pinaghirapan namin. Pero ayun nga, trabaho pa rin ulit.
Thank you, Faila. You had 20 points on 17 of 13 attacks, 3 blocks, and 7 digs. So you had a lot of crucial spikes in the fourth set. So how happy are you right now that FU is still in third place in the standings? What can you say?
The first I want to say thank you to God, to Lord. So it was not easy. Like when I thinking in the first round we lost again UP. So it's like my motivation to be back again UP. To show who I am, who we are, like that. So we cannot be done again with UP. So that is why I want to adjust myself and then improve my spike or defense. So I'm so happy. Yeah, block was. Wala na ako block there. And then also. Yes. And then also I'm so happy also with my teammates. So that is mean without them I cannot do everything. I cannot spike, I cannot defense. They are always there for me. They are always there to push me to be happy and enjoy inside today. So happy ako. Thank you, Coach.
Thank you, Faila. Okay,
Sweet naman. Bukas ulit, ha?
Siyempre yung mga ginita na games, especially knowing yung standings nung nasa taas, pati yung mga nakadikit sa inyo sa baba, sobrang ginita siya. Siguro, how will this help na lang yung ganitong klaseng panalo against UB to prepare you for the next few games pa ulit sa elimination habang, pa-tight din pa-tight yung...
Yes, very nga. Sobrang tight din pati schedule namin. So, magandang para sa amin yung positivity ng schedule and positivity na nangyayari. Ina-accept lang namin lahat ng mga challenges because yun So, wala kaming magagawa but we have to face it. Doon pa rin kami sa goal, kung ano yung every game goal namin and focus kami kung ano bang kailangan game plan. Kasi hindi naman biro din lahat ng teams ngayon, lahat na game proof, lahat ng teams ngayon, this second round, ang laki ng in-adjust din. So hindi din namin pwedeng gawin na maging complacent kami dito sa standing namin because baka mawala din sa amin. Kailangan namin panghawakan lahat ng games, kailangan namin ipanalo yung games, kailangan namin pagtrabahuhan lahat ng skills and also dun sa mga videos na kailangan namin panoorin at aralin. Then we'll see, di ba? Parang doon kami makakakuha ng game plan namin. And then yung motivation ko sa mga bata, hindi naman ako nagsasawa. Kung ano man yung game ngayon, kung ano man yung training tomorrow, trabaho pa rin. Kasi isa naman talaga yung goal namin and hindi ako pwedeng magsawa dito kasi ako lang ang nito di ba? Parang I got angry, Faida, what will you do? Diba? Wala na. So, but, yun nga, kailangan kong tibayan din para sa kanila. So, yun yung bottom line doon. Hindi ako pwedeng sumuko. Kasi hindi rin ako pwedeng mag-doubt sa kanila. Kaya, ang gusto ko, ibigay nila yung best nila every training, every games. Yan lang. Thank you.
For the two players, Coach said it was like a drama up and down.
Yes,
I
every
guess,
time.
What were you saying to each other inside the court to help yourselves stay pumped up and hang on for the win?
Sa akin naman parang, yun nga, parang umabot kasi kami sa point na sinabi talaga ni Coach na yung Coach, quitting is never an option. So,
Quitting is
ayun,
never an option.
dun po kami mas kumapit kasi tama din naman po na talagang yung pag-quit hindi siya option para malagpasan namin kung ano man yung pinagdadaanan namin. So, ayun, compose kami sa fourth set and mas tinibayan namin and tiwala yung, mas binigyan namin tiwala yung mga kasama namin.
For you, Fai.
For me naman, it was like when coach get it mad, who coach don't want like we make it drama. So it's like it is like to make us strong, to know we cannot do that because coach don't want us to do that. So it is the time we should step up and then be focused inside the court. That is what.
That's why, palit dalawa, you up.
For Coach Boone, you 12-3 po ng FA, unti-unti po siya nawala kanina.
Again, sorry.
Yung 12-3
Oh, yeah.
ng FA1 yung fourth set, unti-unti na po siya nawala dun sa mga parang tayo po sa coach, paano niya po yung emotions, siguro yung emotions mo na siguro parang hindi ka mag-convey ng feelings of concern or panic.
I asked them kasi. I asked them kung ano yung problema. Kasi kahit ako, hindi ko alam kung ano yung problema eh. So, every time they step on the court, kailangan sila mag-usap. And then, how to solve yung kung ano yung problema. And then, yung sa amin naman, sa labas lang, kailangan lang namin ang magagawa lang namin is to push them and motivate them. Tapos, di ba, yung ibang game plans lang. But, the rest of the, kung ano yung gusto nilang mangyari, sila yun eh. Kung gusto nilang ewan ko kung ano nangyayari, kung gusto nila mag-drama, sila din na magbabago ng pace ng laro. So for me, nandun lang yung guidance. And then, syempre hindi ka rin magkakaroon ng, hindi ka pwede ma-lose hope sa kanila. Kailangan talaga i-push nila.
And for training by the 3 spots ahead sa Final Four, they're now qualified in 8. So, yung confidence mo ngayon nasan siguro, entering the final games, para makasiguro yung spot sa Final Four, possibly twice a week.
What is that? Oh, can you repeat again?
Are you confident
Confidence.
entering the final 3 games?
Final, we have only 3 games left.
Of course po, I'm very confident talaga. I'm very confident with myself and also with my teammate. So it is like last year. So now we should also to be focused about it, not to give up with that, but we need to be there and then stay focused about it is like us, it is like good. This is how we need to achieve it. So we are ready talaga, happy ako, enjoy talaga determination this second set.
Sa akin naman, gaya ng sinabi ni Faida, talagang need pa namin mas taasan yung standard and syempre yung trabaho namin, kung paano namin siya kung paano kami mas committed dun sa team. So, trabaho pa rin ulit talaga kami. Ayun, kasi may goal this second round and mas gusto namin angatan yung third spot. So, trabaho.
Yay! Happy weekend! Woo! Happy weekend!
Pero kami dalawang music or the whole week break.
Okay.
So, ano yung masasabi niyo yung play? Yung nga, ito kailangan niyo kong dalawang weeks. Siyempre, makarating kayo sa Final Four. Yan ang basketball shot na higher ranking. So, what can you say? Bago whole week break, what can you say?
Kailangan job well done bago mag-break. Diba? Parang, next game is Ateneo. And then Saturday is Adamson. And then the week after is Lasal. So medyo tough yun. So, hindi ko muna iniisip mag-break. Gusto ko muna weekend. O, yun muna. So, di ba, parang mahirap kasi i-settle muna natin, or, I mean, overthink tayo dun sa mga, sa 3 remaining games. Hindi rin natin alam kung ano yung pwede pang mangyari. But for me, isa-isahin natin. So, Ateneo on Wednesday, yun muna focus natin.
Congratulations, Coach Tina.
Thank you!